Do you have painful periods? Is your absenteeism at work increasing during your menstruation period? Hi, I am Dr. Shraddha Paul Narayankar, IVF consultant, Progenesis Fertility, Thane, and here I am to discuss about endometriosis and its impact on infertility. So what is endometriosis? So endometriosis is a condition wherein a lining or a tissue similar to the endometrial lining begins to grow at an ectopic site, that is, at a site other than that of the uterine cavity. With each passing menstrual cycle, these tissues also begin to bleed during the period of menstruation, which causes excruciating pain. So why does endometriosis occur? With each menstrual cycle, the blood which goes outside the body, there is some amount of blood which keeps on getting accumulated. Most of this blood gets accumulated within the uterine linings, within the tube, within the ovaries. With each passing menstrual cycle, the accumulation goes on getting increased and the blood goes on getting accumulated, due to which there is primarily pain, which is a main and the important symptom of endometriosis. The causes of endometriosis could be multiple. It could be either genetic, it could be the very commonly accepted theory is the retrograde menstruation theory, which I explained right now, and fourth could be idiopathic. Symptoms of endometriosis depends which organ of the body is affected. Endometriosis affects the entire pelvic structure. The menstrual blood may get accumulated in the uterine cavity, thereby enlarging the size of the uterus, thereby causing a condition called as adenomyosis. It may accumulate in the tubes or the fallopian tubes, which may cause hematosalpinx and thereby affecting the normal functional capacity of the tubes. The similar blood may get accumulated within the ovaries, thereby causing something which is called as chocolate cyst or endometrioma, thereby affecting the quality of the oocyte and hence the fertility potential of a female. The endometriotic blood may get accumulated within the ovaries, thereby causing a condition called as chocolate cyst or endometriotic cyst. The accumulated blood may thereby affect the oocyte or the egg quality, thus affecting the fertility potential of a female. Endometriosis may affect the other organs of the pelvis, specifically ureters, bowel, and the pelvic structure. Endometriosis typically causes pain. Pain during menstruation, pain before menstruation, and pain after menstruation, because of which endometriosis is typically called as triple dysmenorrhea disease. That is, it causes pain even before the menstruation arises and even after that. This pain could be excruciating and may differ from patient to patient. The other symptoms of endometriosis may include infertility. Infertility because of the accumulating blood, thereby affecting the oocyte quality and affecting the pelvic ecostructure, thereby hampering the normal functional capacity of the tubes. Diagnosis of infertility may get easily missed as the patient refuses to reach the doctor. They would just take painkillers and try to subdue the pain. However, now how to diagnose endometriosis? The diagnosis of endometriosis gets very easily missed as the patient tries to bear with the pain by taking certain painkillers. Thus, the diagnosis of endometriosis is easily delayed. How do we best diagnose endometriosis? The diagnosis of endometriosis is best done by laparoscopy, wherein type 1 or grade 1 or early stages of endometriosis can be easily picked up. So how do you manage endometriosis? Management of endometriosis could be done either by medical management or by surgical management. Medical management can include pain relief by giving certain painkillers or giving hormonal treatment. Now this modality is going to give us a temporary relief. The best management is going to be a surgical management, which includes removal of the endometriotic cyst, correction of the pelvic ecostructure, and also uterine nerve ablation that can help in reducing the pain in the patient. There are further other management which include fertility enhancing surgeries or fertility enhancing procedures that a fertility consultant can give you a brief idea about. So how do we manage pain in endometriosis? The pain in endometriosis is typically managed by giving certain painkillers that is only going to give us a temporary relief from the pain. The best remedy for pain management is laparoscopic uterine artery nerve ablation that is going to give us a brief relief from pain. So what is the best treatment for endometriosis? Planned fertility. or planned pregnancy. That is going to be a very prolonged medical management towards endometriosis. Thank you.